गेम डेवलपर सम काइंड ऑफ। और मैं यूनिटी 6 पे बना रहा हूँ। यूनिटी इज लाइक चेंज अ लॉट। मैं कोडिंग स्टफ नहीं करता। आई डोंट डू द यूनिवर्सल एडिशनल डेटा लाइट। आई डोंट नो, लगता है लाइटिंग वगैरह यूनिटी की, आई थिंक सो। लाइक बहुत सारी चीज़ें सोचिए, ए नेविगेशन वगैरह तो था ही, आई गेस। यप। टू बहुत सारी चीज़ें चेंज हो गई हैं, लेकिन कुछ चीज़ें वैसी की वैसी ही रहती हैं। एंड आई वांट देम टू बी लाइक दैट। एनीवे, मैं तो हमेशा मटेरियल बनाना चालू करता हूँ। मटेरियल जैसे कलरिंग होती है वैसे ही होता है यहाँ पे मटेरियल वगैरह भी। मैं भुला गया कैसे करते थे। बहुत सारी चीज़ें आई गेस चेंज हो गई है। क्या आप लोगों को यहाँ पे मटेरियल दिख रहा है? अब यहाँ पे आई डोंट नो उसको ऊपर क्यों कर दिया। ओके, ये पहली बार हो रहा है फॉर फकिंग सम रीजन। यूनिटी 6 में बहुत सारी चीज़ें आई गेस चेंज कर दी है इन्होंने। एंड आई विल ऑलवेज स्टार्ट विद ब्लैक, something like this, reddish black. I love it. And we need a ground. This is our main camera. So main camera से हमें कोई छिड़कानी फिलहाल तो नहीं करनी, लेकिन हम लोग एक एम्प्टी ऑब्जेक्ट बनाएंगे जिसका नाम हम लोग प्लेयर रखने वाले हैं। और इस प्लेयर में हम लोग डाल देंगे अपना एक शेप, which is going to be our 3D object and a cylinder. Sorry, my bad. It is not a cylinder, guys. Come on, it is a cube. Just kidding. 3D object and it is a capsule. मोस्ट ऑफ द FPS हॉरर गेम जो रहते हैं कैप्सूल को ही लेके चलते हैं, एंड आई एम जस्ट गोना नेम इट, and I'm not gonna name it. Let's Let be the capsule. So ये अपना कैप्सूल है, ये अपना गेम का कैरेक्टर रहने वाला है। बेसिकली तुम लोग क्या देखोगे इसमें? तुम लोग ये देखोगे, ये एक मेन कैमरा है, ये अपनी सारी चीज़ें दिखाएगा। सो इन गेम तुम्हें अगर देखना है तो मैं सिंपली क्या करता हूँ कि इसको अलाइन करना 3D में थोड़ा सा अपनी 2D कॉन्सेप्ट्स के हिसाब से थोड़ा मुश्किल रहता है, बट हो जाता है वो टाइम के साथ। कि तुम लोग देख सकते हो, पता लगा सकते हो कि भाई ये अंदर घुसा हुआ है या फिर नहीं घुसा हुआ। सारे एक्सपेक्ट से देखना पड़ता है। यू हैव टू सी इट फ्रॉम ऑल द फकिंग एक्सपेक्ट्स लाइक दिस। एंड जस्ट इसको क्या कर दो, इसको चाइल्ड बना दो। चाइल्ड बनाना यानी अटैच करना रहता है। तो गेम में तुम्हें क्या दिख रहा होगा? गेम में तुम्हें कुछ ये दिख रहा होगा, ये फर्स्ट पर्सन का पर्सपेक्टिव है। इस पर तो मैं ज़्यादा कुछ बोलूँगा नहीं। एंड वी विल गो एंड ऐड अ क्यूब। सो देख सकते हो जैसे मैंने क्यूब डाला, सो यहाँ पे क्यूब आ गया। और मेरा रीज़न ये था क्योंकि यूनिटी, ये ब्लैक कलर बनाना है क्योंकि यूनिटी पता नहीं क्यों ऐसे चीज़ें बनाता है जो आदमी ठीक से देख ना पाए। लाइक अगर कुछ भी हिलेगा अब यहाँ पे, तुम लोग देख पाओगे कि फर्स्ट पर्सन में क्या हो रहा है। मैं ग्राउंड बनाते ही बनाता हूँ। इसको मैं ग्राउंड मार्क कर दे रहा हूँ फिलहाल के। और ग्राउंड बनाने का एक सिंपल सा रीज़न ये है कि मेरे को अपना पहले क्या कैरेक्टर कंट्रोल देखना रहता है। बेसिकली तुम लोग यहाँ से रोटेशन और स्केल वगैरह भी चेंज कर सकते हो। तो मैं अभी इसको 10x10 का बना देता हूँ और इसको खड़ा कर देता हूँ इसके ऊपर। वाई स्केल पे 10 नहीं लगाते हैं, भुला गया मैं। 10x10 का बना दिया। एंड इट इज़ फ्री एक्सपेक्ट, तो तुम लोग हाई क्वालिटी और लो क्वालिटी गेम भी सेट कर सकते हो यहाँ से। और मेरे को मेन कैमरा भी नहीं चाहिए, मेरे को पूरा प्लेयर ही हो गया, तो मैं पूरा प्लेयर को ही ला सकता हूँ, तो उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है फिलहाल। एंड मेरे को थोड़ा चेक करना पड़ता है बार बार कि भैया ये कहीं ऐसे अंदर डूबा ना हो और ग्राउंड से थोड़ा एलिवेटेड हो किसी इस हिसाब से। तो फिलहाल तो भैया ये फ्री पर्सपेक्टिव है तो ऐसा दिख रहा है, लेकिन मैं इसको बनाना चाहता हूँ थोड़ा रेट्रो स्टाइल। तो रेट्रो स्टाइल के लिए हम लोग फुल एच डी तो बिल्कुल नहीं जाने वाले। पहली बात, फुल एच डी नहीं जाने का क्योंकि ये स्केलिंग थोड़ी सी अपनी बिगाड़ देता है। और फ्री पर्सपेक्टिव में रहता है कि हम लोग एक नया पर्सपेक्टिव बना सकते हैं। एंड मैंने जहाँ तक देखा है 256x256, सॉरी 256x256 का जो रेशियो रहता है इज़ परफेक्ट। 500x500 का चलता है बट 256x256 आई गेस दिस इज़ गुड, दिस इज़ नाइस इनफ। एंड यू कैन सी दैट ब्लर इफेक्ट। ओह, मैं बोलूँ ये गलत क्यों आ रहा है, इसको डिलीट करो। 256 बाई 256 मैं बोला थोड़ा आगे चला गया क्या? 256x256, ओके, ताकि एक स्क्वायर शेप में बन के आइए। और एक और अच्छा चाहिए थोड़ा सा और मतलब क्लैरिटी के साथ और इतना जूम इन ना करना पड़े। 500 भी बहुत अच्छा काम करता है। लाइक इट विल गिव यू दैट PS1 PS2 रेट्रो स्टाइल। ठीक है, लाइक दिस, एंड यू कैन डू दिस। सो अगर मैं अभी गेम चलाऊंगा तो ऑफ कोर्स गेम में हमने कुछ डाला है वगैरह नहीं किया है, सो इट विल नॉट जस्ट वर्क। रीलोडिंग डोमेन, भाई साहब क्या हो गया है यूनिटी को? इतने हैवी हैवी वर्ड्स, इतनी सारी चीजें। डैम, नाइस फॉर यूनिटी आई गेस। एंड यप, वी आर इन द गेम। सो यप, हम लोग गेम के अंदर आ चुके हैं। और ये गेमिंग स्क्रीन देख सकते हो आप लोग। और मैं इसको ऐसे पॉज कर सकता हूँ आई गेस। यप, सिमुलेटर, आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज दैट। प्ले फोकस्ड एंड प्ले मैक्सिमाइज। मैक्सिमाइज में भी चला सकता हूँ लेकिन ऑफ कोर्स मैंने अभी कुछ डाला नहीं है। सो फर्स्ट हॉरर शूटर, और मैंने कैफे शॉप नाम भी रखा है, तुम लोग देख सकते हो इसे। तो कैफे शॉप रखना यानी कि इट इज़ नॉट लाइक एवरेज कि तुम लोग कैफे में चलते हो। लाइक मैंने एक गेम देखी थी। ओके, स्केलिंग थोड़ी सी गड़बड़ हो रखी है यहाँ पे। इसको थोड़ा स्केल कर देता हूँ। यस, दिस इज गुड, एंड यू विल सी दिस। बट ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज नॉट गुड इनफ, तो मेरे को अभी कुछ मॉडल्स वगैरह लगेंगे। तो मैं इनफिनिटी टैब पे जाके ले लेता हूँ। इनफिनिटी टैब प्लीज, थैंक यू। ये मेरे सारे स्पेस ना ले ले, रैम वगैरह खा जाएगा। ओके, मेरे को स्केच फैब वगैरह से डाउनलोड करना होगा तो मेरे को ब्रेव खोलना पड़ेगा। ओके, मेरी प्राइवेसी थोड़ी सी रिस्क पे है बट मेरे को देखता नहीं तो आई थिंक आई एम ओके। ओके, सारी सारी चीज़ें हटा दो। नोप 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 नोप। रीस्टार्ट। थैंक यू फॉर दिस मच। स्केच फैब, जल्दी चलते हैं। स्केच फैब। सो स्केच फैब एक ऐसी साइट है जो तुम्हें आराम से कोई भी 3D डाउनलोड करने देता है। लॉगिन कर लेता हूँ मैं। यहाँ पे तुम कोई भी 3D मॉडल जो है वो डाउनलोड कर सकते हो। इधर यू कैन डाउनलोड कैरेक्टर विद रिग मॉडल्स और यू कैन नॉट। ठीक है, सो इट इज़ प्रीटी इजी टू डू। इतनी सारी चीज़ें हैं तुम लोग डाउनलोड कर सकते हो। मेरे को बेसिकली फ़िलहाल के लिए क्या चाहिए, मेरे को फूड्स एंड ड्रिंक्स एंड आई थिंक मेरे को आर्किटेक्चर चाहिए यहाँ पे थोड़ा। पहले आर्किटेक्चर देख लेते हैं। बेसिकली हमारा मॉडल क्या रहने वाला है? फूड्स एंड ड्रिंक्स, फर्नीचर एंड होम, क्रिएटर एंड एब्स्ट्रैक्ट एंड आर्ट, नेचर एंड प्लांट्स। यप, इतनी सारी चीज़ें अपने को चाहिए। मतलब या अपने आप मत खोल। सो अभी अपने को एक कैफ़े शॉप चाहिए जो थोड़ी खुली खुली सी हो, ऑफ कोर्स। और कुछ कुछ ही मॉडल्स इसमें डाउनलोडेबल होता है, जैसे ये वाला डाउनलोडेबल है और ये वाला डाउनलोडेबल नहीं है। कैसे पता चलता है? यहाँ पे एक आइकन रहता है डाउनलोड करने का जो यहाँ पे ऑफ कोर्स नहीं दिख रहा है। एंड ऐसे चीज़ें भी मेरे को नहीं चाहिए जो पेंट नहीं हो। मतलब मेरे को पेंटेड चाहिए, मटेरियल के साथ चाहिए। मैं नहीं चाहता मैं मटेरियल डालूँ इस चीज़ में। और ऐसा कार्टूनिश सा भी नहीं चाहिए कि लो पॉली हो, ताकि गेम में थोड़ा सा भी रियलिज्म ना हो। हालांकि इस टाइम पे ना, कि मतलब जब तुम 500 बाई 500 का गेम बनाते हो, क्यों प्रेफर करते हैं गेम डेवलपर्स की? बिकॉज इन लो रेजोल्यूशन यू कैन पुट एनी थिंग, इधर इट्स हाई क्वालिटी और लो क्वालिटी मटेरियल, इट विल लुक जस्ट द सेम। ओके, दिस लुक्स pretty creepy, but it's not the cafe shop. Pastry shop looks pretty fancy, I guess. बट अगर मेरे को ऐसा आधा खाया हुआ मिलेगा तो मैं तो नहीं रख सकता ना। दिस इज जनरली द बेस्ट थिंग आई एवर सीन, बट ये VR है, प्लस इट इज नॉट डाउनलोडेबल। यू हैव टू डू अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ रिसर्च, यू नो। दिस वन लुक्स प्रीटी नाइस। एट द एंड अगर कुछ काम नहीं करता तो यू हैव टू लाइक डू इट बाय योरसेल्फ। ये ठीक है बट दिस इज नॉट डाउनलोडेबल अगेन। This looks shop cafe. I think मेरे को कैफेटेरिया लिखना चाहिए. कैफेटेरिया, जिसकी स्पेलिंग मेरे को बिल्कुल नहीं आती है. डोंट नो द स्पेलिंग ऑफ कैफेटेरिया. I'm dumb. कैफेटेरिया. रिया. और डन. ओके, किसी और ने भी मेरी जैसे मिस्टेक की है तो आई गेस इट्स गुड. ओह, दिस वन बेसिकली नाइस. मेरे को सर्च करना है कैफेटेरिया की स्पेलिंग, क्योंकि वो तो गलत है. कैफे. ओह, it's a typo. No, it's not. Cafeteria. Hmm, कर रहा हूँ. What's this? I don't know. Cafeteria. Okay, this is Among Us cafeteria. God dang it. This is not for download, I guess. Nope, it is not. It is just animated. It is not for download. Oh, this looks good. This is downloadable also. Let me see. So मेरे को ये क्यों अच्छा लगता है, क्योंकि सिर्फ तुम इसको अंदर से एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते हो, तुम इसे बाहर से भी देख सकते हो. सो इफ आई वांट टू आई कैन, लाइक, मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ कि मैं एक अलग मॉडल उठा सकता हूँ. ओके, मेरे को अलग मॉडल उठाने की जरूरत नहीं. प्रीटी गुड, प्रीटी गुड. क्रेडिट दे देता हूँ. ओह, इट सीम्स सो नाइस, इट सीम्स नाइस, इट सीम्स सो नाइस. आई थिंक मेरे को इतने एरिया की तो जरूरत नहीं पड़ने वाली. एंड आई विल डाउनलोड इट फॉर श्योर. बट इट इज अ काइंड ऑफ स्मॉल, इट इज काइंड ऑफ स्मॉल, नॉट गोना लाई, इट इज काइंड ऑफ स्मॉल. छोटा सा है. ये कर देगा काम आई गेस. बट इट इज़ काइंड ऑफ स्मॉल, क्योंकि मेरे कैरेक्टर की स्पीड्स यूनिटी के हिसाब से बहुत ज़्यादा रहती है. यू विल नॉट एक्सपेक्ट इट, क्योंकि कैरेक्टर यहाँ से यहाँ तक जाने में, यू यू नो दैट if in real life you will start from this position and go to this position, it is gonna take like 12 seconds, 20 seconds, etc., etc., from here to here at a normal speed. But in Unity, even if I deplete this, decrease the speed from like a billion, a trillion, I don't know. If I start from here and go to here, it will take 5 seconds. So it is pretty small on that aspect. I cannot just increase its size. So I don't think I will download it. But this is pretty good. It is a damn good. I could never. This should be made in Blender, I guess. This thing will do for us, I guess. Yep. This pretty looks nice. Oh, Monster Eye. This one's spooky. Spooky. Okay. Ice cream one. Okay, it is just copyrighted content. We cannot. So what we are gonna do, we're gonna take one model from somewhere and then we're gonna paste another model on another. So like, action. My bad. Sci-fi credit. Oh my god. What is this? Mosquito. Mosquito. Okay, it is pretty hard to find one. I think I have to make one myself. Okay, by the way, you guys don't know about the idea of the game and the concepts. So I have made this game before, but due to some reasons I was able to publish it. So this is just literally the same game that I already made. It is a maze puzzle type themed, and I have every aspect of it. It has like 3 stages, or I don't know. So it has one, two, and then three. I will tell you. I will tell you some. Oh, this is so nice. But it is an old age base and no color scheme. Damn. I think I should find a city on it. Okay, I will be right back. I will be right back. Not gonna lie, I will be right back. What is with my camera? It is a little bit dusty, I guess. I am speaking in the best accent I can. Okay, I will be right back. I will be right back, guys. Okay, we are back. Oh, चलो जा भाई. Yep, here we go. So बेसिक सी बात है कि हमने क्या किया था. मेरा गेम का प्लान कुछ ऐसा है कि ये वी आर, हाँ, हम काम करते हैं एंड देन लाइक देयर आर 5 स्टेजेस ऑफ दिस सीन लोड होने का. एंड मेरे को ये लगता है कि यू कैन नॉट गो बैक टू द सीन इन द यूनिटी वेयर यू वाज. इट इज प्रिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स. लाइक व्हेन you have started the game, then you have paused the game. You can just pause the game, you can just play the game. So there are scenes like scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, and scene 5. So we're gonna make it in 5 scenes. First scene is going to be the office work or something like that. So where you have to take up the crates and you have to put them down. Then our character thinks, yeah, I have done pretty much of the work, so I want to go to some cafe shop and get some coffee. And as he goes to the cafe shop, uh, he roam around the city because he was new to the city, so he does not know where he should go, and it is pretty much messed up. Yep, I know it. And then he goes to the cafe shop and imaginary imaginarily that he assuming that he drank up the coffee, and then he get out and he was like something's off. Then when he tried to go back, he see a monster chasing him, which is greater than his speed. So either he have to like go fuck off and run very fast. Either way, he's gonna get fucked up because there will be dustbins in the way, and we're just gonna move the dustbins. So he gets caught up. You guys understanding? I know you guys are understanding, and that is okay. Okay, that is pretty much the plan. So what we need a house 3D model, not a house, a city 3D model, which is going to be low poly because you can put anything in that. So we're just gonna city model, and yep, these are pretty expensive, and I'm poor as fuck. We cannot download these ones because, of course, they are, stuff pics. Oh, these are stuff pics. Oh, we can still download it. Oh, my bad. But I still don't want this because they're gonna have a lot of triangles in them, and this is not actually what we want. Yep, it is not available for download. It is not, and it is like this. So yeah, absolutely not. Why? Because it gives you a feeling it isn't the right 3D model you're watching. Like, no, no, you don't want this. This is for just the scene to view. It is not the scene to play in. What is it in this? City Survival Guide? It is not downloadable, so I will just filter it out from here. This looks pretty nice, I guess. I have to do something about that aeroplane over there, though. We don't want an airplane. Fuck airplanes. Asian themed low poly. Yeah, we want something like this. Yep. Okay, this is gonna take time because I thought it is low poly. So basically, we will gonna put our cafe house in between here. Okay, there are too many planes. This is good, but like this is like a. I have to I have to. Why is there water in there? Nah, we cannot do this. There's water in. Okay. Oh, like these are good though. These need some roads. Okay, okay. You know what? I'm done with this. 99 miles. Thank you for your contribution. I love you, man. You are gonna place in my videos, so I will make sure to give you credits for everything. Okay. So now we just need some roads, I guess. So basically we have all the towers for towers. Not the towers, of course. So next, just a girl. What the hell is wrong with Sketchfab now? Kind of cute though. Okay, my bad. So we need road, of course. Yep, this will do. An American road, road HD. Okay, this will all road will do us. Like, it is a lot of work, but yeah, it is a lot of work. No, it is a lot of work. The HD road will just do because it has the sidewalk, you know. Okay, I like to have some roundabouts. Like in the previous model, I just downloaded any fucked up thing, and I was like, "Yep, this will do." But yeah, we have to make the game a little more sensible. 9 for 9. Okay, next model is Mortality Exotable. Mortality Rexotable. You don't have FPX. You son of a bitch, you don't put FPX here? You son of a bitch. Does it have all? Okay, looks like we are going, and it is like big thing, so it's good. Okay, it has values. Okay, corner restriction. Okay, okay. This feels good. This feels good. So who is here? Squad Shell. Thank you for your contribution, man. For my game. Oh, 2 MB. Nice done. Nicely done. Nicely done. I will just put them in one place. You know, you never want to make anything a mess when you're developing a game. Not your code and not your files. So the first thing first, we're gonna have to put these roads and the towers. And the next thing is we're gonna find a cafe shop, which is explorable, I guess. I just need an outer look so we can just, because you know I'm a single developer. I don't have time to make every single thing right. So I will make this game on your imagination. I will let you imagine that he has his coffee. So we just need a low poly cafe, and this will do. This is pretty. Okay, okay. Let me see. 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 The restaurant one will do also. I don't know if the ulterior looks good. That this was fine. This was fine. But why you guys do this? They will make the best motherfucking thing ever. They will put everything perfectly, everything nice, and then they will, yeah, this is gonna come with it. You want it? This red thingies are gonna come. I don't want this red thingies. Why do you put these red thingies? And the main fact, these red thingies would be attached to something like motherfucking. Why you messed your thing up? Bro, developer don't need that. Of course. I'm just gonna download this one, I guess. The cat cafe. Do you have any cat in the cat cafe? I don't think so. And it's like the foggy, snowy thing, I guess. Yeah, I was thinking I can add a snowy thingy. I don't know how to add the snowy thingy, but I think, oh, this will do. This will do for sure. Jake Watts, thank for your contribution, and and this is already low poly type, so yep, this is pretty good. Gaff Nikki, you, yeah, okay, nice. 1 MB, great job. I hope that it has all the textures and some stuff like that. So we have almost all things for our game. So first of all, what we're gonna do is to greatly accept that we are not going to mess it around. So I'm just going to create a new folder. I'm going to name this folder project cafe shop. We're just going to put all the zips in this cafe shop. And next thing you see is these cafe shops are going to extract all. Extract all here. So, okay. You do one at a time, you motherfucking bitch. And we just gonna delete it at the exact same time. You don't want to get your memory full with this plugin. So first of all, we have this Asian theme. So you have the textures and the source. So the source and texture are completely opposite, and they will come completely opposite. And for some reason, they also have this extra pack of stuff. I don't know why. And yep, you have to delete it simultaneously, or you will just gonna fucking lose your terabyte or gigabyte. These are the sources. These are the main FBX blend buildings you're gonna see, and this is the texture. So this is like the buildings texture, like how they are gonna be. So let's go back to Unity and to the project. So here you can see there are material folder. Now we're gonna create another folder. We're gonna name this folder um, game files, or you can just name it anything you want. But we're gonna game files and open it, and we're just gonna drop our. Here we're gonna have building and buildings here. So we're just gonna go ahead and put the whole file over here. You'll say whole file? Yeah, I will say yep, whole file. Put the whole file here. Blend could not be found. Fuck you. Some errors always gonna happen. Some errors never stops. But that does not stop you from making your own buildings. Okay. Can I just, okay. They are good, I guess. This looks nice, I mean. Now, this is about scaling. These are pretty huge. And if you want to see how huge they are, it's gonna come here. These are that, and this is our player. That was I was talking about. But I think they're pretty low poly, and that's a good thing. So we're just gonna go ahead and go up here, and we can just use our scale device, come our scale device, and scale them according to our means, shape, and size. Just wanna make sure that they are used properly. Now this looks good, I guess. I think good enough. And they have to like decrease their ball here at the level of player. So we're just gonna angle it perfectly. And I don't want player to be there, but I want the ground factor should take up all the space. So I will just go up here. And this is our ground. And now we can just level up our ground. Okay, so here is our rect tool. We can also use this, of course. So we will just gonna expand it on X and Y axis. I mean X and Z axis, not X and Y, of course. Extend it like this. And we're gonna use this tool to make sure our measurements are that's right. We just want this much bigger screen. And now we're just gonna add our first part of the script. We're gonna create a folder especially for the scripts. And this is the first script ignition in this computer, so I think it is gonna handle it perfectly. And monoscript behavior, hell yeah. This monoscript behavior is all about movements. So we're just gonna go ahead and put them there. Just believe on God and your double tapping skills, and you will open Microsoft Visual 20 Studios or something like that. And I just hope that it does not like give me an error or something. Let me just, okay, allow. Okay, let's go. We're in. Wait a second, wait a second. Let me just come here. So this is the basic thing you can do here. It is showing error, but this is just okay. And it is just ready. The start is like what you can put here. It will be start at the starting frame, and update will be getting update frame. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna go to ChatGPT. What do you think? I don't type. I know I can do it, but ChatGPT does do it better than me. And I personally think that ChatGPT is a better scriptwriter than me. Can you write me a script of C hash or even for Unity for basic FPS character movement, add crouch, not course, crouch. You understand me, bitch? Crouch, run, and stamina, stamina, stamina to the player. Also, I want. Okay, for now, this is. We just want to explore the world. We don't need anything else. Bitch, bitch. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Unity script for movement for FPS or game. Add crouch, jump, run, and stamina. I want to use character controller for movements and collision. Okay, FPS horror game using character controller. It includes smooth walking, run, crouch, stamina, effects, running, jumping with gravity, and works with character controller. Tag your ground. So we're just gonna copy from where? Copy from here. You don't need to copy all of them. You can use AI as you want, but to use AI, you need to know what you're using it for. So we're just gonna copy this all. So WSD to move. Okay. So head bob and footsteps can be added later, which is good. I'm just gonna type yes and let it do its thing. And up until then, we're just gonna paste it over here. LV. This is the whole thing. And if there are some errors, which we know about, it is just gonna let us know. Like, I think there's an extra. All good now? So we just know about the error and we clear the error. Yep. Save it. Go back. Stamina bar, UI, and slider directions, some stuff like that. I don't need this right now. Okay, where is my Unity? Up here it is. So now, so this with this done. So now this is our movement, and I'm just gonna give the movement to our player right over here. So now this has the walk speed, the run speed, the crouch speed, the gravity and stuff. I'm just gonna give it to it, but I'm just gonna remove it because our player is just an empty game object and our real game object is this capsule. And this has a capsule collider. We're just gonna add a component, and this is a character controller. The character controller is given by Unity, and it helps to control the control to control. Sorry, to control it. So it is going to be like this for now at least, and you can see this in this game. Like this will look like this. This is 500 by 500 on 2x by 2x scale, and we will be playing right at any moment. Okay, there is no ground check component. I forgot to assign ground, my bad. There are some errors, of course. You cannot make a fully functional game without errors. So we have to put our camera, which is our main camera, and ground check is our default ground. And ground mask, we just gonna mask this as ground. I'm gonna call it ground. Here. So now we will go back to the capsule and I'm gonna mark it as ground. Thing. Ground. Let's try again. Okay, another error for some reason. But you have to switch to active input. Invalid, okay. Let's just copy and ask for ChatGPT to help. I think it is doing something like we have to change some settings. Edit project setting player. Another setting, find so edit. Oh my god, I forgot. What was it? Hold project setting player. Project setting P project setting, and then player. Where's player? Player. After player, in other setting, find active input handling. In what setting? Other setting. In input setting, we need to find active, active, I don't know, active, active, clear, other setting. I don't see anything like active like thingy. No, we are gonna use the old one. Find active input handling. Active input handling. We need to find active input handling. Can we just search it? I think so. Nope, we cannot. Active input, other setting. Active input handling, 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 active input handling. I think it's time for a YouTube tutorial, guys. I think it's time for a YouTube tutorial. Oh man. This is so fucked.
Hey, I'm
Hey,
Max,
I'm
and
Max,
today
and
I'll
today
show
I'll
you how
show
to
you how
fix
to
this
fix this
error that
error
gets
that gets
banned in your
banned in your
console.
console.
So the
So
error
the error
says you're
says you're
trying to
trying
read
to read
input
input
using
using the
the engine
engine
input
input
class, but you
class,
have
but you have
switched
switched
active
active
entling
entling
to
to
the
the
system
system
package.
package.
That error
That
is
error
going
is
to
going to
happen when
happen
you
when you
import the
import the
package for
package
the
for the
new
new
input
input
system,
system,
but
but
you don't
you don't
update your
update your
edit
edit
system.
system.
So to
So
fix
to
this,
fix
you just
this, you
have to
just
go
have
to
to
your
go to your
input
input
system
system
and click
and
here,
click here
replace with
replace with
input
input
system
system
UI
UI
input
input
module.
module.
Let's get
Let's get
straight to the
straight to the
point.
point.
If you are
If you are
getting this
getting this
error in
error in
Unity,
Unity,
let me
let
show
me
you
show
how to
you how to
fix
fix
this.
this.
Method 1.
Method 1.
Click on
Click
your
on your
event
event
system in
system in
hierarchy and
hierarchy and
replace the
replace the
module in
module
your
in your
inspector.
inspector.
If you
If
don't
you
see
don't
this
see this
button in your
button in your
inspector,
inspector,
go to
go to
Project
Project
Settings,
Settings,
then
then
Player,
Player,
and then
and
Other
then Other
Settings.
Settings.
Here,
Here,
set
set
active
active
input
input
handling to
handling to
both.
both.
Oh, it is in configuration. Wait, it is in configuration. Configuration. Alt. Apply. Save. Okay, we are restarting, I guess. Yep, we are restarting now. We're restarting now. Thank you for Bura Dev. It's so hot out. How many degrees it is outside? I also I need to. No, let's wait some time for some time, I guess. Okay, finally. इसने 2 बार पता नहीं किस लिए किया ये, बट इसने 2 बार ये किया. सो आई होप कि अब ये चल जाए. एज अ गेम डेवलपर एंड अदर गेम डेवलपर्स नोज आल्सो, होप ही कर सकते हैं हम लोग कि ये चल जाए. You cannot never say that yeah this will gonna work. It is always like yep, I hope that it should work. Okay, okay, okay. It is working. It is kind of working. Like what is happening in the game, you don't know. Like the camera is attached to it. Fuck you. The camera is attached to it. But I think I think the ChatGPT has other plans in his mind. So let's just stay focused right now and see. What is happening is that our camera is just gonna stay there and we will be moving. So if I will just go right here, you can see if we are in the game, our character is moving everywhere he wants, but he's not turning everywhere we want. So it is moving, it is jumping good, it is crouching, and I'm crouching. It is pretty good. But whoosh, there's only one problem. That is, it is not doing. Oh, we understand it. I have to child it with this also. So now we can do it. And hopefully it will rotate or something like that. I don't know why it is not rotating or something like that. So yep, we are in game, but there's no rotation. Okay, that's pretty interesting, I guess. Yep, you can go into and outside the building. That is another which we are facing. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna go here, copy the whole script again, and ask motherfucking ChatGPT that what the fuck you have done, and redo it. I want to control it with my mouse and disable mouse cursor in game. Sometimes ChatGPT is just lazy, full on lazy. Why भाई तुम मेरे को अलग अलग scripts क्यों दे रहा है? Why are you giving me different scripts? Give me one big script. I am happy with one big script. I just have to just copy and paste this motherfucker. And of course, I'm gonna decrease the speed. Fuck it. Copy and we're gonna paste it over here. Boom. Save it. Go back in Unity. So you will say, what the fuck are you doing? I will even say that, what the fuck am I doing? But yeah, this is the base you're making. So, you know, it is kind of like it. But okay, so we are just moving up and okay. So we need to add something. I don't add it. Player capsule. Okay. What we need to add more? Player body. This capsule is my player body. And anything else, sir? I don't think so. You good? There is no error. And yep, everything looks fine. So these buildings are pretty small right now. And you can see the top of it. And some buildings are still pretty huge. But yeah, this is how this game is gonna look like. These models are high quality, but I made them look low quality because this is going to be a low quality horror game. So these looks pretty good, and we should not be like a sucker. This looks pretty good, but you know, these are kind of small. I was always fearful of scaling things, and you will ask me why. I'm not gonna fucking answer. Shut up. Okay, so I think problem is going to a character, so I'm just gonna scale you down a little bit, I guess. Just gonna scale it down a little bit. Be a tiny pointy boy. From every edge, you don't want to be look like chapatis. Here we go. Perfect, I guess. Yep. Yep, this is good. Yep, this will do. Let me check all the things. The mouse look can be more like smooth, but this will do also. We can jump. The jump is pretty high. We can run. The run is good. And it has stamina. So I don't know how many seconds it will be like there. And we can crouch and we can crouch and we cannot crouch and run. Good, ChatGPT. I will give you points for that. But we can jump like we are in like you know. So I'm gonna add those settings too. For first of all, some buildings look good, but this one does not feel very good. So I'm just gonna select this one. Okay, we cannot select this one. This is all in one package. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna, I'm gonna, so scale this. No, I'm not gonna scale them, but I'm bring them up like this. Yep, this goes right, and we're gonna scale them a little more taller, so they look that they are tall, and a little more wide, like this. Same for our ground. Now let's just check it out. This looks pretty weird right now. I know your concerns. Let me just adjust it. Yeah, you can do this. Okay, fuck. I just fucked it up a little. My bad. Therefore, I hate scaling. I just hate scaling. I hate it so much. I just hate it. No other one. No other word than hate. Okay, now it's look pretty normal, I guess. Yep. Now this looks good. You can still like jump, but not that much. Yep. Yep. This will do. This will do. This is nice. Yep. I am just concerned about this one building because this does not look very right to me. You know, I think I have to small my player more, I guess. He's like 1 story tall, but I just leave it there. This is just a low poly game. Like how small you can be. It is pretty small. You don't think so? You don't think so? Fuck you then if you don't think so. But I think that it is good enough, man. Like look, you're small. This is a building. Yep, this is a human. I understand like a little bit of it. Okay. Anyways, I'm just gonna let it be there and think about it. But for now, we need road. And I don't know how I'm gonna pull this off. I'm gonna pull this off. You know what? Change of plan. Okay, now. Okay, yes. You know what? Fuck it. We have huge fucking roads here. We're gonna have huge fucking roads there. We're gonna make a folder of our radius. And we're gonna put our thingy over here. Don't tell me they are all together. Oh, first of all, we don't need this one, so I'm just gonna disable it. Don't need this one, this one, don't need this one. This is pretty big. This one, this is pretty big too. Don't need this one. For now, we just need this one. I forgot. Yeah, materials, extract materials. So folder. We have material. We have textures here. Nope. Okay, my bad. Here we go. And a metallic map also. Okay, I just crashed it. Okay, no, it is good, I guess. But it has those thingies. No, no, no. I don't think this should look like this. I will just change it to metallic with this one. Yep. And now we have to just adjust it to our liking. Can we do something with it, please? Thank you. This is gonna look so weird, for God's sake. Yeah. It is a whole pack, reminder. You have to zoom in like crazy here, like you are not even leaving a step or something like this. To be so careful with this. You can just duplicate it, right? Yep. Whoosh, another one. HD road in HD quality. Okay. Okay, it is pretty hard though. It is pretty hard. I forgot how painful it was. It is pretty hard. It is not easy, you know. You have to just look. Look, there's something. Yep. Now you have to like pull this in and do stuff with it. You have to move the whole entirety a little backward or forward. Now these buildings are in my way. Okay, I think I can just, rotate them on the y-axis like this. Okay, not a bad idea. And now we can just shift these like this. Yep. You have to think too much. If you're making a game, you have to think literally too much. Let me see. How do I get up? Yep, like this. Like this. Oh fuck. Like this. Yep. Good. Yeah, yeah, this will do. This is good. Yep, this will do. What we used to do is not just WASDing this whole thing, but basically you can use space to get up and shift to get down like actual video games. I don't know why they removed it though. I can just add an intersection over here, a smaller one. I think this one is a small one. Can I have your attention, sir? Is it intersection? This is the one. Yep. Come on, get your ass over here. But this is an intersection on the grid. Let's go. Let's go. Can you just get to those up? Yep, this will do. Ah, this is so annoying. How is this an intersection? I don't know. Can anyone know? Do anyone of you know? This looks like more to a parking lot to me, not gonna lie. Okay, we need some stuff also like putting besides the roads. Do not make me an engineer. I will just destroy cities. Anyways, so one road is enough? I don't think so. We have to at least put two roads. It is going to be kind of maze thingy. Need to just duplicate this one another time. I don't think so we are gonna make a maze out of it. Can we make a maze out of it? Maybe. Can you make a maze out of it? Of course, I can make a maze out of it. Here we will gonna have some half circles, so that enable it also. This just looks funny. Sorry, guys. It was just looking funny. I didn't mean to laugh at all. You guys should believe me. Please believe me. I should add grass or something. Trees and I think I have to add. There's no other choice. See how delicate it is. Just gonna extend it this way also, I guess. So I'm just gonna use this one. Thank you, I guess. Okay, it did not work like that. I'm just gonna. It is a big BB road, I guess. It's just a BB road. Okay, I cannot do anything with this for right now. But yeah, it is a BB road right now. It seems a little off, but it's okay. We got you. We got it. I have. This is just 2x, so this is the smallest one we have right now. Okay, my bad. Oh, damn. We're just gonna, I think, disable it. I don't think I need it right now. This looks pretty fine. Okay, now what we're gonna do is gonna have it over here. Start from here. And we're gonna put some barricades, I guess. Or I think we can. Just put some, garden shit over here. You just want to put some garden shit over here. We're gonna start from here. We're gonna put some garden shit over here, and so the player cannot go through. And we're gonna have our nice coffee shop over here, right here. Not even right over here. We're gonna make a road out of it, a big as road out of it. So here it will be the road, the girthy road, the bad road. So the bad road is gonna lead us to here. Just gonna extend this. The girthy road will get us to the coffee shop, I guess. Where is the motherfucking line? Man, give me the line already. I'm gonna leave you. Biatch. Yep, this is good. This is nice. If you're wondering why these are things are floating here, you won't able to see it. It is going to be snowy, it is going to be foggy. So yep, you're not gonna see it. It is getting cold. And I just yep. So this is the basic level of our game. First level, basically. So you will be getting spawned over here. You will see just all these buildings. I'm gonna add some illumination to this one. Illumination with lighting. And yeah, we're gonna get rid that big ass sun over there. We're gonna have some street lamps over here. I'm gonna add a garden over here. So you can just walk through there because there will be our main thingy. I'm not gonna add any UI to it, of course. Just kidding. Do I have to use a UI over here? I think I should. And we're gonna have our garden thingy over here too. Then we're gonna make him use this this pathway. And yep, we're gonna run, 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 run. And we know that you know that. Okay, there's a motherfucking building over here. So we're just gonna um do something about it. I hate Unity. I was thinking to add it over here. So we got to do something about it. What can we do about you? Nothing else is affected, I guess. This much squishing will just remove this building from our way, and it won't affect other buildings too. I think this is great. This will be okay. Okay, fine, fine by myself. Fine by myself for now. Okay, so this is the basic model. Now, where is our cafeteria, the main cafe? This is going to be our cafe, Nikki. This is going to be our main cafeteria, which we are going to place right at the edge of here. Damn, it is illuminated. How much illuminated it is? I like how it is illuminated by all itself. Like it has suns, but we don't need those cameras, of course. And just gonna go ahead and open it. It looks a little upside down, doesn't it? I think it's good. I think it's good, yeah. No, it is good enough. This was good. Now we need a Gerthy road over here. Roads. Do we have a Gerthy road? I don't know. I don't know. Okay. I'm gonna increase their size because they are gonna eat up whole building thingies. and we're gonna use some street lamps. And the second thing, I will changing the sun box. So I'm just gonna go ahead. So this is just modular building and stuff. So I'm just gonna and we're gonna go ahead and boom. No directional lighting for you all. It is compiling shaders. There we go. The shaders are now compiled, I guess. So now we don't have any sunlight, but what we are gonna do, you're gonna go on component, you're gonna go on lighting. Where is lighting? Do you see lighting? I forgot many things. Effects, rendering, then lighting. Okay, my bad. Rendering, skybox. Okay, my bad. I forgot. Let me see how we can do this. First, I need a night sky, so we're gonna use that one. Night sky, something that isn't mm. So this is pretty much AI generated, and I think this can do. Free pick. Okay, I'm just gonna use this pick because this is free. Image. This is the night vibrant. Anyways, ask night ChatGPT. How can I add night sky in Unity Sky box? Step by step, download night sky. Oh, fuck you, no. Window rendering lighting. Yep. Window. I was trying to go for it. Window. Oh, it is a window. Rendering lighting. Here it comes. Environment. Then it is not going to be a default skybox. Okay, we can just download one, I guess. Skybox. Okay, let's see. This is a pretty cool Cyvox. Can I get it? Can I download it? I think I can. Okay, thanks. Whoever you are, sir, I don't know where your name is. Oh, Shaq Kentley. Thanks for the Skybox. I will give you my honorable regards here, I guess. Now we can just put one here. Like this skybox. Can you just go here? No? Why? Why are you killing me? Don't kill me. Hmm.
क्या था कैप्टन?
Hmm.
क्या बोल
हो गया.
बोल गया ना तब बोले ना उस साले को बोले तो 20-25 दिन जाके ट्राई तो करने से पता तो चलता है कि हाँ मेरा काम हो गया. चलो खाना खाओ हाँ खाना खा के खत्म करो झगड़े आओ.
This is
वीक में सो नहीं पाते हैं बहुत दिक्कत है बहुत टेंशन है हम लोग.
So this is a special one. Shout out to my dad. This is going to look like this, I guess. No, this is not going to look like this. But you can surely see where you have to go. There will be some boundaries here, like the grass and stuffy things. You can just walk up here, see the cafeteria you always wanted to visit. Why these lights are so much flickery? Oh, dang it! Damn it, they are so fucking bright. Let me in. Damn it. Okay, so what's the biggest problem right now? It is that our character is banging through the doors. So what we can do here, we can go here and to the default. We can add a component which is called mesh collider, such that our pretty big boy does not collide with something. Collide with the walls basically. So this one I'll go ahead and add with this. If someone tries to bang their head to the door, they can fuck off. You cannot. And yep, we're gonna reduce some lighting of this thing because this is like too much. And yeah, we're gonna think about the skybox also. But that is for another time, another day. Just gonna save it for now. And hopefully